Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to take a quick look at the verb seem. It's not an action verb, not a be verb. So what kind of verb is it? It's a stative verb, which means never add ing. Use this verb when you're saying your idea, when you're saying your opinion, you're making a guess and you're not sure about something. Like, you seem angry. What happened? I'm not sure. I think you're angry. You seem angry. However, if I am 100% sure, I'll say you are angry. This is 100% sure, and this is totally true. You are angry. You might have heard the word seemingly as well, like you're seemingly angry. It means you are not really angry, but you're pretending to be so. You're seemingly angry. Like she's seemingly happy by wearing that fake smile. It means she is not happy, but she's pretending to be happy by smiling. I hope you've learned something new from this video. Go on and practice English by watching one of these videos. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'll be back soon.